Hello friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today June 1st, Monday, right? So we'll see how we have to trade tomorrow, that is 2nd June 2020. So we are preparing for tomorrow's trade. We are not at all predicting anything. So always prepare for the next trading day or next week or next month, whatever you want to trade. The prediction is not correct in the market. We are not at all predicting anything. We are preparing how to trade for next trading day. Before that, go to the disclaimer. Yeah, we'll see directly to the Nifty. So this is the Nifty daily chart. In my last video, I explained the levels. If you see, this is the hurdle. So 9,880 and 9,900. It tested today. See the gap. This gap is not at all filled. This gap, again the gap. So this a peculiar thing where double gap. It is very rarely it will happen like this. This is the gap, right? So and here also the same gap. So I am expecting the gap may be filled in coming 1 or 2 days. After filling the gap, the price will go up and test the 61.8% of the retracement, that is 10,300 kind of levels. So until then, what we have to do is, our plan is buy on dips. So this is the levels to be noted down for coming days. For how to trade tomorrow Nifty, we'll see now. See, this is the 15 minutes chart of Nifty. So this is the gap area. For any chance, if tomorrow this the price comes to this level, so today opening, and yeah, this is the zone, is a big zone here. So 9,700 kind of level. So that is the buying opportunity. So my entry will be somewhere here. And the loss, the stop loss should be below here. So somewhere I am putting only 50 points of stop loss. And the target may be, if the price comes to 9,700, the 100 points target we can keep here, 100 or 120 kind of. This is the area where we have to take our profits. The reason is today is a big rally. So intraday it tested almost 9,930 kind of levels. Yeah, 9,930, and the retracement and closed at 9,811. So tomorrow may be a small choppy day. So if the price comes to this area, we can buy and keep a stop loss of 50 points and aim for the target of 100 or 120 points. This is the trade idea for Nifty tomorrow. We'll see the Bank Nifty also. First we'll see on a Bank Nifty on a daily chart. So this is the Bank Nifty daily chart. If you see exactly, it closed in the supply. Today is tried to break this supply, but it just went upside the supply area and closed within the supply. So now the idea is always buy on dips and sell on rally. That is a strategy. So now we have to So for coming days, if the price comes to this area, it is a good buying opportunity around 19,000 level, and the higher side it may test 20,700. Maybe this week it may test. So only tomorrow what we have to observe is let the price to come down and test the lower edge of this zone, so that will give you a decent buying opportunity. So exclusive for tomorrow's trade we have to plan, right? How to trade tomorrow. So I'll remove all the tools first. Right. So here also the same thing. What we'll do is, this is our area to enter a trade. Our entry will be around here somewhere. So 19,600 kind of level, and keep a only 100 points stop loss. Yeah, so 150 points stop loss. Right, and aim a target. So this is the consolidation area, and the price went down from the consolidation. So next the price goes to this consolidation area, there may be a stiff resistance. So I am putting my target somewhere here. So this is the target around 20,000, and I'll be buying around 19,600 and keeping a stop loss below 19,500 and aiming a target of 20,000. This is the simple plan for Bank Nifty tomorrow only intraday. For positional, I am expecting, and my target will be around 20,000, 20,500 kind of levels for the week. Now we'll see for two stocks to trade tomorrow. For tomorrow trading, I selected two stocks. One is Titan, another is Voltas. So Titan, if you see, the momentum started upside. There is a small consolidation last 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and after that today given a breakout. So this movement may go up to 1,000 rupees, 1,017 kind of level, 1,017 kind of level. So the entire this fall retested, first tested 50% and came back. Now it again going to test around 1,007, that is the 50% of this retracement. So if you are a positional trader, you can buy on dips somewhere around 940 or 915 or 920 kind of levels, and keep a stop loss below today's low, and keep a target of 1,017 and 1,040 kind of levels. So for a positional trading. For intraday trading, tomorrow how we have to trade, we'll see now. This is a 15 minutes chart of Titan. See, tomorrow opening price is most important. If the price opens somewhere around 960 or 970 in between, there is a good opportunity to buy around 950, keep a stop loss below 946. And aim a target of 970 or 980 kind of levels. That is a one type of setup. The another one is, if the price opens below 950, then a decent buying opportunity at 930, keeping a stop loss below 925, and aim a target of 960, 970 kind of levels. There is a Titan trade setup for tomorrow. And other stock is Voltas. We'll see the Voltas now. This is Voltas daily chart. If you see this daily price movement, this is the supply. It tested, and today it closed higher edge of the supply zone. The volumes are good and the momentum is strong upside. So if you are a positional trader, or if you want to hold it for 15 days or 1 month kind of time, you can buy intraday dip and keep a stop loss below 506 and aim for a target of 630 kind of levels. That is the positional trading. For intraday only for tomorrow trade should be only on a breakout trade. We have to trade only on breakout. If the price breaks today's high, that is 545, then we can buy and keep a stop loss. This is the 15-minute chart or Voltas. So what we have to do is we have to buy only the breakout entry. The entry should be somewhere above 545. That is okay, 546. Yeah, this is our entry, and keep a stop loss below this zone. So stop loss will be somewhere here. So yeah, so we'll reduce the stop loss, right? The zone. So this is a trade setup for tomorrow Voltas, only breakout trade. So today's high is 544.75. So if the price breaks and stay above 545, that is 546 is entry, and keep a stop loss below 540, that is 539 is the stop loss, and aim for a target of 566. If the price opens below today low, that is 510, so don't trade. So only breakout trade we have to take Voltas for tomorrow. So can we discuss one more stock? Let's see. The stock is Coal India. So this is a daily chart. If you see the supply, here the supply, it tested and it is coming into the supply zone maybe tomorrow. If it comes to this area, this is a shorting opportunity. I'll be shorting somewhere here and keeping a stop loss above this here. So above the zone. So this is 150. Only 2 or 3 rupees we can keep a stop loss. Not much. Right? So 2 rupees 50 paisa stop loss, and aim for a target of somewhere it will come here. So once it hits, so 7 rupees is the, so only for intraday. So if the price comes into the zone, 154 is my selling price, and keeping a stop loss at 156.65, aiming a target of 146.50. So this is the Coal India. Why I am saying is the traders purchased somewhere here in this area, so they will try to take out their profits here. That is the simple logic to short here. Friends, today I given 3 stocks: Titan, Voltas and Coal India. Titan and Voltas both are buying opportunity, and Coal India is a selling opportunity at the higher price. So thank you friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.